Eli Manning. The narrative nowadays is like because he's Peyton's brother, he was somehow close to Peyton Manning in play.
In the two rings.
And he's got the two rings
over Brady.
Over the GOAT. What was the narrative when Eli was playing?
Bro, he was like a shit player.
How inconsistent
Overrated.
was Eli Manning when
Bro,
he was
he had
playing?
seasons, bro, with over 20 interceptions, bro. He had multiple seasons with more interceptions than touchdowns, bro. And the NFL players voted who was the most overrated player in the NFL, and they all voted Eli Manning.
Well, yeah, he's overrated because of his last name.